Very good morning to everyone. And चलो let's start with the lecture. Now in the previous lecture हमने किया था isosceles triangle theorem और उसका converse. तो एक बार थोड़ा रिवाइज कर देते हैं converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Now look at the statement. Statement में if and then are very important word क्योंकि if के बाद is your given part. So let's see if के बाद क्या दिया है. They are saying that a triangle. So there is a triangle, that is triangle ABC. In that triangle वो लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? They are saying that if two angles are congruent, that means let's say angle B congruent to angle C. ठीक है, that is the given part. Then के बाद वाला जो part है that is हमें prove करना है. Then they are saying that side opposite to them are also congruent. मतलब दो angles का opposite side भी congruent होगा. ठीक है, so I'll say that side AB will be congruent to side AC. ठीक है, therefore side AB is congruent to side AC. इसको हम बोलते हैं converse of isosceles triangle theorem. They are saying that if two angles are equal, the side opposite to them are also equal. Now, having understood what is converse, let's do the sum based on it. ठीक है, let's do the sum based on converse of isosceles triangle theorem. Very important sum. This is going to come. This may come for your examination. And very interesting sum. I'll just read the question and I'll explain you. सबसे पहले वो लोग बोल रहे थे, if you see, segment PT is the bisector of angle QPR. I want everyone to look at angle QPR. They are saying that एक segment है, that is segment PT, वो bisect करता है वो angle को. Bisect का मतलब it is dividing the angles into two equal parts. ठीक है, I have already highlighted as you can see. Further, they are saying that a line through R, the most important part of the question. There is a line which is passing through R and it is parallel to PT. Look into the diagram I have highlighted. So RS is parallel to PT. ये याद रखना, ये हम सब में यूज करने वाले हैं. It is intersecting QP at point S. ठीक है, that is what the information. Now proof क्या करना है? They are saying that prove that PS is equals to PR. Now my first question, look at PS and PR. Can I say PS and PR belongs to any triangle? ठीक है, yes, it belongs to triangle PSR. आप लोग मुझे बताओ, अभी हमने पढ़ा जो कॉन्वर्स पढ़ा, ठीक है, वो यहाँ पे यूज होने वाला है. Now tell me, ट्राइंगल में दो साइड इक्वल कब हो सकता है? यस, जब उसके ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल हो. ठीक है, तो हिंट में हमने लिखना है, वी जस्ट हैव टू प्रूव एंगल PRS कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल PSR. अगर ये प्रूव कर दिया तो हमारा काम हो गया. ठीक है, now look at the first hint, first angle देखो. I'll just highlight that angle in the diagram, PRS. ठीक है, now if you see that angle is made up of two rays. पहला रे है PR and दूसरा रे है SR. Do we have any information of ray SR? सोचो जरा. Yes, मैंने बोला था very important सम में SR is parallel to PT. ठीक है, so I'll write ray PT is parallel to RS. कैसे पता चला? It is already given. Now remember one thing, whenever lines are parallel, we always search for a transversal. Now tell me, वहाँ पे वो दो parallel lines के लिए transversal कौन सा होगा? Yes, PR is the transversal. तो हम लिखेंगे on transversal PR. देखो transversal पे angle form हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, and that is Z shape, जो last lecture में आपको समझाया था. So they are nothing but alternate angles. So we know that alternate angles are congruent. So हम लिखेंगे angle RPT congruent to angle PRS. I'll give this reason number 1 and tell me what can be the reason behind this. Yes, it is nothing but alternate angles theorem. ठीक है, अगर आपने देखा रहेगा पहले एंगल का इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिल गया. Now let's try to get some information of angle PSR. I'll just highlight that angle PSR. नाउ टेल मी पी एस आर में भी दो रे है, पहला रे है पी एस और दूसरा रे है एस आर। फिर से क्वेश्चन ये है, डू वी हैव एनी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एस आर? सोचो। यस, एस आर इज पैरेलल टू पी टी, जो हमने ऑलरेडी लिखा है। whenever lines are parallel we always search for a transversal। आप बोलोगे सर पी एस ट्रांसवर्सल है। Now this time I'm not going to take PS to be the transversal, rather I'll take QS to be the transversal. ठीक है? So on transversal QS, now if you see again two angles are formed. Now if you see ये letter important है। कौन सा letter form हो रहा है? F। ध्यान से देखो, ठीक है? ऐसा उल्टा देखोगे तो समझेगा, it is letter F। Now letter F में हमेशा corresponding angles form होते हैं, and we know that corresponding angles are congruent। Therefore, angle QPT will be congruent to angle PSR. That is result number 2. Fine. Okay, now if you see, जो hint है angle PSR के बारे में information निकाला हम लोग ने, ठीक है? आज for now हमने सिर्फ information निकाला है, ठीक है? We have just removed the information. I want everyone to look into the hint to prove में। वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं, ये दो angles को क्या करो, equal करके दिखाओ, ठीक है? Which two angles are they are talking about? I'll just highlight। वो लोग बोलते हैं एंगल पी आर एस should be congruent or equal to angle PSR। Now if you see these two angles are on the right hand side, now tell me when can right hand sides be equal? When the left hand sides are equal। So let's check whether left hand sides are equal or not। So angle RPT and angle QPT आपको डायग्राम में देखना पड़ेगा, ये इक्वल करना है तो। Now look into the diagram, ठीक है? Now already I have spoken this कि PT is the bisector of angle QPR, therefore angle QPT is congruent to angle PSR, ठीक है? Now if you see I'll give this result number 3, and the reason behind this is nothing but ray PT is the bisector, ठीक है? चलो now okay, now look at the triangle, ये वाला triangle PSR, ठीक है? In this triangle PSR, can I say from result number 1, 2 and 3, can I say left hand sides are equal? Yes. So I'll write angle RPT, ठीक है? As left hand sides are equal, we can say the right hand sides are equal. So angle PRS will be congruent to angle PSR. And what can be the reason behind that? From 1, 2 and 3, ठीक है? चलो hint हो गया अपना पूरा। Now we know that in a triangle अगर दो angles congruent है तो उसके opposite sides भी क्या होंगे? Congruent। So now I can say that side PS will be congruent to side PR। इसको हम बोलते हैं converse of isosceles triangle theorem। Therefore I can say that PS is equals to PR, hence proved। ठीक है? Very 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 easy sum। Now corollaries are omitted, so we are not doing it। Okay, we'll do a very very important concept, let's understand। Okay, we'll be doing 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem and certain sums based on it, ठीक है? ना ये 30 degree, 60 और 90 ये आपके 10th में भी आने वाला है, तो let's start with this now। Okay, they are saying that, let's understand, they are saying that acute angles of a right angle triangle, ठीक है? So I have taken a triangle over here, acute angles are 30 degree and 60 degree of a right angle triangle, that is 90 degree, ठीक है? So we'll write in triangle ABC, one of the angle is 90, the second angle is 30 and third angle is 60, then the triangle becomes 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle। Now if this thing happens, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? Very important, I have highlighted, see, they are saying that then the length of side opposite to angle 30, let's understand the length of side opposite to angle 30। Now look at angle 30 degree, ठीक है? Look at angle 30 degree and tell me which is the side opposite to angle 30? यस दैट इज साइड BC। अभी इसका लेंथ अगर फाइंड करना है तो वो लोग बोलते हैं इस, तो इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ, हाफ का मतलब 1/2 टाइम्स द हाइपोटेन्यूज। विच इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC? यस AC, तो इट इज हाफ ऑफ AC। ठीक है, इसको हम बोलते हैं साइड ऑपोजिट टू 30 इज हाफ ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूज। नाउ second it says that the length of side opposite to angle 60. Now look at angle 60 degree and tell me which is the side opposite to angle 60 degree. Yes, AB. तो ये साइड का जो लेंथ है that would be √3/2 multiply by hypotenuse, that is AC. Fine. Now let's see how to use this in a sum. I'll take an example. They are saying there is a triangle, that is triangle PQR, जहाँ पे in triangle PQR one of the angle is 30 degree, the second angle is 60 degree, and angle R is 90 degree. Now if you see, this triangle is nothing but 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Okay, and we know that if it is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 type of triangle, we can use the theorem. So हम लोग लिखेंगे one of the side is given as 10. Okay, they want us to find QR का length and they want us to find PR का length. ठीक है, now QR, look at side QR. Can I say that side is opposite to angle 30? Yes, so we can use the theorem by 30 60 90 theorem. We know that side opposite to 30, that is QR, ठीक है, is half of the hypotenuse. So half into hypotenuse कौन सा है यहाँ पे, that is PQ. ठीक है, इसका रीजन क्या रहेगा, साइड ऑपोजिट टू एंगल 30 डिग्री। Therefore QR is equals to half into, what is the length of PQ, देखो जरा, yes it is 10. Now half of 10 is nothing but 5, तो 5 यूनिट्स लिखेंगे। ठीक है, तो QR आ गया 5 यूनिट्स। अभी हमें कौन सा साइड चाहिए, PR चाहिए। Now just look at PR, ठीक है, look at PR. Now can I say that particular side, ठीक है, it is opposite to angle 60? Yes, as you can see that side is opposite to angle 60. We know that side opposite to angle 60 is मतलब is equals to √3/2 multiply times मतलब multiply by hypotenuse, that is PQ, that is side opposite to angle 60. So √3/2 into PQ का length is 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So finally PR is nothing but 5√3 units. ठीक है, so this is the way you can use this theorem in a sum. ठीक है, so अभी हमने पढ़ा 30 degree, 60, 90. Now let's study one more important concept, that is 45, 45, 90. Now देखते क्या लिखा है उन लोग ने, they are saying that measures of angles of a triangle. So I'll take a triangle and if the measures of the angles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, तो क्या होगा। तो पहले तो हम लिखेंगे इन ट्राइंगल ABC, angle A is 45, angle C is 45 and angle B is 90 degree. ठीक है, therefore this triangle becomes 45, 45, 90 type of triangle. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्या बोलता है, they are saying that then the length of side, each side containing right angle. Now look at right angle and tell me which are the sides that contain right angle. बोलो जरा। Yes, AB and BC. Okay, these are the sides which contains right angle. So I'll write AB is equals to BC, and these two sides would be equal to 1/√2 times the hypotenuse. So into AC. Okay, this is what the theorem says. How to apply this theorem in the sums? Let's understand. They are saying that in triangle ABC, so I'll take a triangle. So in triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 90 degree, and angle C is 45 degree. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट इज गिवन। AC का लेंथ इज गिवन एज 10√2। दे वांट अस टू फाइंड AB का लेंथ एंड दे वांट अस टू फाइंड BC का लेंथ। ठीक है, अब डायग्राम देख के सबको समझ में आ गया रहेगा दैट इट इज नथिंग बट 45 45 90 टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल। ठीक है, so I'll write therefore triangle ABC is 45 45 90 degree type of triangle। फाइन, अभी हम फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। अभी अभी आपको सिखाया फॉर्मूला, लेंथ ऑफ साइड्स कंटेनिंग राइट एंगल। तो कौन से साइड्स राइट एंगल कंटेन करते हैं? ठीक है, दैट इज ए बी, एंड दूसरा कौन सा साइड है देखो जरा, 45 का ऑपोजिट बी सी। ठीक है, साइड ऑपोजिट टू 45 इज 1/√2 इंटू हाइपोटेन्यूज, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज कौन सा है, ए सी। ठीक है, therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to 1/√2 into AC का लेंथ देखो कितना है, 10√2। √2 gets cancelled, तो finally AB is equals to BC is equals to 10 units। ठीक है, वहाँ पे that is not 5, that is 10 units। ठीक है, so very very simple sums। ठीक है, this way। चलो एक और नया कॉन्सेप्ट हम सीखने वाले हैं। ठीक है, बहुत ही इजी कॉन्सेप्ट है, लेट्स सी दी कॉन्सेप्ट। ओके, सेंट्रोइड ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल। ठीक है, ये सेंट्रोइड समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें मीडियन को समझना पड़ेगा। सो आई देयर इज अ स्टेटमेंट, look at the statement। They are saying that the segment joining a vertex and the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called median of a triangle। Okay, let's understand again।